How to fix Facebook pixel errors on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings, and when your settings it's opening, what you should do right now, just you will go directly to uh, apps or applications, then you will scroll down and go to Facebook and open it like this, and then go to storage, click on storage, then go to the last here, clear data, then click OK, and now your problem will fix it. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.